Okay, so we done one so far. You can see it's new on the other side. So now we got to do another. And this is how fast this done. So basically just, you can pull right in the middle, pop it out, it'll come. It'll come off pretty easy. All you got to do is pull. Whoa. There you go. Same thing. Lay it down. Fold and just slide it right in there. Now don't worry if you got some extra, that's fine. It'll just fold and you can leave it at that or cut it down with a blade if you want to. But the thicker the better.